Welcome to the Ross Woodworks Shop SOP on how to build a Blüm Legrabox. First, let's see what's in the packaging from Blüm when you order a Legrabox. There will be several different packages of parts. Some you will save for later, some you will use now. These drawer face attachment brackets you will label and save for later. These brackets we will use in the construction of the box. The guides will go in your cabinet box. In the smaller box inside, you will find the sides to your Legrabox, as well as some plastic cover caps that you will use later on. All the sides are denoted by different letters that correspond to different heights of the Legrabox. Be sure to talk to the front office to figure out which sides go with your drawer box. Now let's go over what parts you will need. You will have your Blüm parts with the components that we mentioned prior in the video. You'll have your CNC components consisting of a back piece and a bottom piece. You will need 5mm machine screws, 1 1/4 or 1 5/8 wood screws, and 1/2" truss head screws. You also need a Phillips impact, a drill with a countersink, a chisel for cleaning edge banding, combo square so you can find center, and an 18 gauge nailer with 1 1/4" nails. Let's begin by taking our chisel and cleaning the edge banding on the back piece of our Legrabox. Once the edge banding is clean, we will take the brackets and find the flange, putting it at the top where the edge banding is. That flange should gently hook on to the top of the box and align with your CNC'd holes. Take your 5mm machine screws and loosely attach the bracket at first so you can line it up flush with the top. Then tighten the rest of the screws down. Repeat that process for the opposite side, affixing the bracket to the back. Next, we will take our side components and attach our back to the sides. Make sure the edge banding is facing towards the top and the brackets are on the back side. Simply clip the side into the bracket. You will hear a snapping sound. That means it is secure. Take the opposite side and press it into the back until you hear a snap. Now you have your sides attached to your back. Flip your box over, and now we will work on installing the bottom. Take your bottom piece, making sure that the back holes line up with the back of the box. Slide your piece into the rails until you are flush at the back. Using your combo square, find the center of the lines. In this case, the thickness of our back is 5/8, so our center line is 5/16. Shoot some nails in to hold the bottom and the back together. Then pre-drill and add your wood screws. Using 5mm machine screws, fill the CNC holes in the front 4 spots. Then using your 1/2" truss screws, fill the back 4 spots with screws. Now you have assembled your Legrabox. Don't forget to write the label of the job name, room location, and cabinet location on the bottom of your drawer. Then you can take it to install. Thank you for watching the Ross Woodworks Shop SOP on how to build a Blum Legrabox.